Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset your Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. Hello everyone. So here we are. And as you can see, I'm using a Windows 10, but you don't have to worry. It's still basically the same when you're using Windows 11. So the first thing that you want to do is go into your search bar in your taskbar right here, and you want to type reset this PC or just reset right here, and you would have a reset option right here in the settings. So you want to click here, reset this PC, and you would be prompted right here to reset your PC for recovery. Or if you can't do that, then you can just go into your start menu and click on the settings right here, and from here you want to go into this find settings right here, and you can just type again reset, and you would also have this reset this PC just like that, and you would be good to go. And from here you want to go and click on get started right here to reset this PC right here, and you don't have to bother with advanced startup right here, just a reset. And from here you have the option to keep your files or remove everything, which is pretty much understandable. So in keep my files, you would be keeping your personal files such as images, videos, and whatsoever. Windows would be only deleting the apps installed into your computer and resetting the settings. And that's basically it for this keep my files. And remove everything is just exactly what it says. It would remove every image, like clean slate in your PC, every video, every setting, every apps that is installed. It's like a brand new PC. So it's up to you on what you think is better for you. So if you're having trouble, like maybe your computer is malfunctioning, then I recommend to remove everything right here to make sure that you wouldn't miss anything that is causing trouble for your PC. But if not, then you can just go keep my files first. If you don't want to remove everything, then if this doesn't work, then you can remove everything afterwards. So let's go keep my files right here. And from here, you would be prompted with an option. Right here, as you can see, we have the cloud download and local reinstall. So if you already have the Windows from this device, then I just recommend the local reinstall right here. If you have a laptop, then I recommend this one. And cloud download would be just basically, it would need Wi-Fi because it will be downloading the Windows from cloud. And after that, after you have selected this, and it would another prompt. So current settings, this is just a reminder, and you want to click on next again, and this won't take long, just like that. But I'm gonna cancel it because I don't want to reset my PC. But after that, it will be just very simple. You just have to follow the steps, and you just have to wait. And yeah, the computer might restart in a few times or might flicker, so you don't have to worry about that. It's completely normal. That's basically it for this video.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.